What if I told you there's a space-age metal hiding in plain sight? It's tougher than steel, survives extreme heat, and it's likely in your bathroom right now. Today, we're cracking the code on zirconium, the most underrated element on the periodic table. Don't click away, because this fake diamond is actually a real-life hero. We are talking about atomic number 40, zirconium, Zr. It's a transition metal that bridges the gap between everyday life and high-tech science. Understanding this element isn't just for chemistry class, it's about understanding the future. From nuclear reactors to dental implants, zirconium is everywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know why scientists call it the survivor metal. Plus, I'll show you how it's changing the world of tech and fashion. Zirconium's most famous form is cubic zirconia, the ultimate diamond look-alike. It's hard, flawless, and costs a fraction of the price of a real diamond. But it's not just fake jewelry, it's a testament to zirconium's incredible crystal structure. Action step. Go check your jewelry box. See if you have any CZ pieces and notice their fire. In nuclear reactors, things get incredibly hot and corrosive. Zirconium is used to clad fuel rods because it doesn't absorb neutrons. This allows the nuclear reaction to stay efficient and safe. It's one of the few materials that can handle that kind of pressure without melting. Action step. Search nuclear fuel rods on Google Images to see the shiny zirconium tubes. Engagement. Question. If you could have a ring made of a space metal, would you choose zirconium or titanium? Tell me why in the comments. Zirconium is biocompatible, meaning the human body doesn't reject it. It's used for knee replacements, hip joints, and dental crowns. Unlike other metals, it doesn't corrode or cause allergic reactions easily. It's basically the friendly neighbor of the metal world. Action step. If you have a dental crown, ask your dentist next time if it's made of zirconia. Zirconium oxide, zirconia, is a powerhouse ceramic. It's used in space shuttle components to protect against the heat of re-entry. It's also used in high-end kitchen knives that stay sharp for years. If it can handle outer space, it can definitely handle your kitchen. Action step. Look up zirconia ceramic knives to see how they differ from steel. Engagement question. Did you know zirconium was used in space travel? What other planet should we explore next? Comment below. Zirconium is nearly impossible to rust or corrode with water or acids. This makes it vital for the chemical industry where pipes handle dangerous liquids. It creates a natural oxide layer that acts like an invisible shield. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it material for engineers. Action step. Research transition metals to see which other metals share this shielding trait. Engagement. Question. If you were a scientist, what's one problem you would solve using a heat-resistant metal? I'm reading all your ideas. So, there you have it, the amazing world of zirconium. It's more than just a periodic table entry, it's in our teeth, our power plants, and our jewelry. We've learned it's heat-resistant, biocompatible, and practically indestructible. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the elements, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to like this video to help the algorithm spread some science. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.